Who is ready tonight for WWE WrestleMania 32? So today we have another unboxing of the Pop Vinyl figure. It is Andre the Giant because they'll be having another third additional battle royal of him. So here we go. Here's the back of it and the side of it. So here we go. Let's do the unboxing right now. So I'll take it. Pretty cool. He's out right here. This is Andre the Giant. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and sub for a sub. Peace out guys, and enjoy WWE WrestleMania 32 tonight on the WWE Network, starting at 7 o'clock, and on USA Network it will be the kickoff show. So enjoy and have a great time. See you guys.